Hey there friends, ETPC. Today we're checking out the NZ cat litter mat. So I'll be using this for Vincent and Poofy. Even though they don't have a kitty litter box, I can put this mat out in our front door, or the back door there, and put the cat food on there for them and stuff. So let's open this up and see what it feels like. Should be able to open it, no problem. So it doesn't smell. Some of these you get and they have like a strong mats or different things have a strong odor. Oh wow, it's kind of squishy. Feels pretty good there. So this is what, 35 inches by 23. And you know what? If the cats don't use it, I think it'll be a nice to just stick it outside the door there. So I'm gonna go put it outside and we'll see how it works here. Kitties. Oh, kitties. Pretty kitties. Come here, Poofy. Well, the kitties seem to like their little cat pad. Yes, who's a good kitty. Yes, who's a good kitty. Poofy girl. Pretty kitties. Kitty, kitty. Good kitty. Yes, you are a pretty kitty. Oh, yes. Yes, you are a pretty kitty. Kitty. You love to be patted. You love to be patted. Vincent, you're drinking your water. Silly kitty. Kitties. Oh, yes. I know, Poofy. I know. Are you going to attack me? Try to attack. Okay, so looks like this carpet works pretty nice. Got some cat food on there. And probably some cat hair. I'm going to see how easy that is to clean once the kitties are done with it. Pretty kitty. Oh. Oh. She's attacking. She's attacking me. Help me. Silly kitties. Oh, silly kitties. Oh, you like it. You like it. Okay, okay. Oh my goodness. Help me. Pretty kitty. Okay. Okay, kitties. Oh my goodness. We just like to rub and rub. You're all over everybody. Okay, bye, Poofy. Bye, Poofy. Gotta go. Oh, bye. Kitty, kitty. Gotta shut the door. Like, what am I doing? What am I doing? Kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Oh my, you're just a little furball, aren't you? You're just a little furball. You're a little furball. Okay. Okay, okay. Out you go. Oh my, he's so friendly. Oh, thought you were gonna attack. Oh, little kitty. Oh, kitty, kitty. Okay, okay. Out you go. Ow. Oh, she's biting. She's so vicious. Oh, I gotta go, Poofy. Oh, help me. Help me. Help me. Silly cats. Okay. Alright, as you can tell, we have some kitty litter on here, and a cat, and some cat food. So I think we can just shake this off. Let's roll it up here, and we'll see if that is what we can do. So take it out to the grass. And give it a few shakes. And look at that. Okay. Let's go back and put it back. out. That is that. It's a pretty comfortable mat, actually. Just step on it with my bare feet here. Feels kind of therapeutic. And I'm sure the cats like stepping on it too. Seems to be super easy to clean. I haven't got a stain on it yet, but this should just wash out. It's pretty soft. Probably use this as like a kitchen mat too, to put in front of your oven or stove. Okay, so let's go ahead and back to the review here. Okay, so final thoughts on the NZ cat litter mat. It works well. It's easy to clean. The cat litter, you can just shake it out as I demonstrated. It's soft. Probably, if the cats don't want it, I'll probably just put it in the kitchen next to the stove with some nice padding. So it's comfortable, and what can I say? It's a good mat. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video, and we'll see you next time for more reviews.